Let's say a class you want to register for is full but has a wait list. We will show you how to add yourself to the wait list. When you try to register with multiple classes and one has a wait list, you will receive a pop-up that states, the following courses are full but have room on the wait list. If you would like to waitlist for the class, select the checkbox and select OK. If you do not, it will continue with registration for your other selected classes, skipping this course. If you are adding the class using the CRN window, put in the CRN in current schedules. You will receive a pop-up message offering you to either add yourself to the waitlist or do nothing. Select Waitlist and click OK. You will see a confirmation that you have been successfully added to the waitlist class waitlisted. Just click OK. When a spot in the class becomes available, you will receive a notification to your preferred email address. You can verify your preferred email by heading to My Profile in UAOnline. The email will state how many hours you have to take the seat before it goes to the next student on the waitlist. Once you receive your notification, head back to Schedule Planner and select Current Schedule. Select Edit or Drop Classes. In the drop-down for the class you are waitlisted for, select Registered Web and Save. You are now registered for the class. If you have any questions about registration, please contact UAA Registrar at 9077861480 option 5 or email us at uaa.registration@alaska.edu. Thanks for watching.